Hi, I'm Chef Mike and welcome to Fry's Culinary 411. Today we're making a delicious steamed mussel in a butter wine sauce. The recipe features the Private Selection frozen mussels. They're packed with 700 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids per serving. Healthy eating never tasted so good. So let's get started. Start by heating your pan over a medium-high heat for about 1 minute. Now it's very important to rinse the ice crystals off your pre-cooked mussels. We'll add them to our pan and we'll flavor with our garlic, our white wine, then we'll season with the Private Selection Mediterranean seafood grinder. And we'll place on the lid and steam for about 2 minutes. Let's open the lid up and we'll remove the open mussels to a clean plate and we'll set them aside. Now it's very important that we reduce the wine by half before adding our diced tomatoes, our lemon juice, and our butter. And we'll bring it together until the butter melts. Now finish it off with your favorite cut of Private Selection pasta, cooked and drained to package directions. We'll give it a toss and serve.